All right, so you should have figured out what the error was that I made, and if we have a look, this is still the original list that I have up in front of me here. And what you should see is, yes, carrots is spelt incorrectly, so we can change that. But also, if we scroll towards the end, we'll see that radish is actually missing the speech marks. So I'm going to pop the speech marks in before and after radish. Now remember that in this particular program it will put 2 speech marks in at the same time to try and save you some time. Okay, so we've got radish in now, and radish should be correct now. So let's save it, let's run it, and let's keep our fingers crossed. All right, so now what we can see at the bottom is it's come up with cabbage, 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 and cabbage. We did say that it could randomize, we did say that it could choose whatever it liked. I'm just a bit disappointed that it chose cabbage for every instance. Let's see if we can run that again and see if it comes up with something different. Okay, so now what it's doing is it's coming up with celery for line 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now why don't you see if you can use what you've learnt from the last couple of videos that we've gone through. Why don't you see if you can get each line to come up with a random choice by yourself. Okay, I will show you the answer in the next video, but I don't want you to cheat. I want you to see if you can do that for yourself.